If you want to block audio and video calls from people in your address book on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is a helpful privacy setting if you want more control over who can contact you through calls on the app. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's get started. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Find and click on More. This will open up the additional menu options for your account. From there, click on Settings and Privacy. This is where you'll find all of your account controls, privacy settings, survey settings, and security options. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account interacts with other people and what kind of communication is allowed. Once you're inside Privacy and Safety, click on Chat. This is the area where you can manage calling and messaging preferences. Now look for the section that says Allow audio and video calls from. Under that setting, you'll see an option for people in your address book. Simply toggle that option off to block audio and video calls from contacts saved in your address book. And that's it. Once that setting is turned off, people in your address book will no longer be able to make audio or video calls to you on X. It's a quick way to improve your privacy and keep better control over who can reach you. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy guides like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.